Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Measure and combine the dry ingredients precisely. 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoons salt. In a separate bowl, cream 1/2 cup unsalted butter until pale, then beat in 2 large eggs one at a time. Stir in 1/2 cup whole milk and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line a 12-cup muffin tin with liners so batter assembly is ready immediately after mixing. Combine wet and dry components by folding the dry mix into the creamed butter in 3 additions, alternating with small amounts of milk to keep the batter tender. Mix just until combined to prevent dense cupcakes. Spoon batter to fill each liner 2/3 full so cupcakes rise with dome tops. Bake at 350 degrees F for 18 to 20 minutes and test with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, the cupcakes are done. Cool cupcakes in the tin for 5 minutes. Then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely before frosting. Prepare a smooth buttercream by beating 8 ounces cream cheese with 1/2 cup unsalted butter until silky. Then gradually add 3 cups powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and 2 tablespoons milk. Adjust for spreadable consistency. If the frosting becomes too soft, chill 10 to 15 minutes before piping. Fit a piping bag with a 1 tip for classic rosettes, top with colorful sprinkles, edible pearls, or a lemon zest twist for the preppy kitchen aesthetic. Store unfrosted cupcakes at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.